Alright, in this video, I'm breaking down the 40 highest discounted Amazon Black Friday kitchen deals of 2025, featuring some of the biggest price drops live right now. And honestly, a few of these hit up to 80% off, which I'll get into in just a second. Every discount link is already in the description, and if you're watching on TV, you can just scan the QR code on screen to check out the deals instantly. So let's start with Now this countertop blender lands at $80 with a massive 76% drop. The 68-ounce pitcher handles smoothies and ice with strong 28,000 RPM power, and the self-cleaning setup keeps things simple. A solid pick for anyone wanting quick blends, frozen drinks, and a reliable daily kitchen workhorse. Next up, this KitchenAid can opener comes in at just $9 after a clean 50% discount. The stainless steel cutting wheel stays sharp for smooth opening, and the ergonomic handles offer steady grip. A handy upgrade for kitchens needing a durable, no-hassle opener that lasts through everyday use. Moving on, the Zulai Milk Frother sits at $10 with a 44% markdown. Its fast whisk makes silky foam in seconds, and the included batteries keep it ready right out of the box. Great for coffee lovers wanting cafe-style lattes, cappuccinos, or matcha without the bulky espresso gear. Here's another, the Granite Stone 20-piece cookware set drops to $142 with a 43% price cut. Ceramic Nonstick helps food slide off easily, and the full bakeware and utensil bundle covers most cooking needs, ideal for upgrading a kitchen with durable, low-maintenance pieces that heat evenly. Now, the Miller Mandolin set hits $35 after a 42% discount. With 12 interchangeable blades, it slices, dices, and spirals veggies with consistent cuts, and the container keeps things organized. A smart pick for meal preppers wanting faster prep and cleaner counters. Quick heads up, a few of these discounts are already selling out fast, so I've added all the links in the description. And if you're watching on TV, just scan the QR to jump in as we go. Next up, this Circle Joy electric grinder set lands at $14 with a 41% drop. The gravity sensor sprinkles seasoning automatically, and the LED light helps you control amounts. A convenient upgrade for cooks wanting easier seasoning and adjustable coarseness for different dishes. Now, the Typhor Dome 2 air fryer comes in at $300 with a bold 40% cut. Its upgraded airflow cooks evenly, the smart display simplifies settings, and the PFAS-free basket offers clean results. Great for families wanting faster meals, crisp textures, and an easier cleanup routine. Moving on, the Dyson V15 Detect Plus drops to $550 after a 35% cut. The illumination shows hidden dust, strong suction tackles carpets and hard floors, and it converts quickly to handheld, a powerful option for deep cleaning with less effort and longer runtime. Next, this upgraded kitchen sink strainer sits at $10 with a 33% markdown. The stainless steel basket prevents clogs, and the snug stopper fits standard 3.5-inch drains. Perfect for anyone wanting smoother drainage and fewer sink backups. Finally, the Cuisinart portable gas grill comes in at $134 with a 33% discount. Its dual burners heat evenly, the stainless steel build handles outdoor use, and the setup stage simple for trips. A great pick for campers or tailgaters wanting quick grilling without bulky gear. Before we add the next fix, check the description for all the deals. A couple of them are limited time drops, and the QR code on screen works great if you're watching on TV. Next up, the Ninja Foodi Smart XL Grill lands at $200 with a 33% drop. Its 6-in-1 setup grills, air fries, roasts, bakes, broils, and dehydrates, while the smart thermometer keeps temps accurate. A great pick for quick indoor grilling with crisp, even results and a simpler weeknight cooking. Moving on, the KitchenAid Artisan Mixer sits at $350 after a 30% cut. The 5-quart bolt handles thick doughs easily, and the tilt head design makes adding ingredients smoother. Perfect for bakers wanting steady power, cleaner mixing, and a classic look that lasts for years. Moving on, the Ashley Rokon 7-piece dining set dropped to $561 with a 29% markdown. The rectangular wood table feels sturdy, and the cushion chairs offer comfortable seating. A solid upgrade for families wanting a warm, coordinated dining setup with room for everyone. Here's another, the Kusori 9-in-1 Turbo Blaze Air Fryer hits $89 with a 26% discount. Its ceramic basket heats evenly from 90 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and the presets simplify roasting, baking, and reheating. A practical option for healthier meals with quicker cook times and consistent textures. Now, the Emeril French door air fryer oven comes in at $150 after a 25% cut. The 26-quart capacity fits family portions, and the 24 cooking functions cover everything from toast to full roasts, great for replacing multiple appliances while saving counter space. Real quick, a few of these discounts are running low, so if something caught your eye, the link's right below. TV users can scan the QR to keep up as we go. Next up, the Pracky 24-piece food container set lands at $28 with a 24% drop. The airtight lids keep ingredients fresh, and the included labels help organize pantries cleanly. A hopeful upgrade for anyone wanting tidy storage, less waste, and better meal prep flow. Moving on, this 13-piece hybrid cookware set comes in at $555 after a 24% discount. The ceramic stainless combo offers balanced heating, and the stay-cool handles add comfort. Ideal for cooks wanting durable pans that work across gas, electric, and induction. Now, the Trend Plain oil sprayer comes in at $8 with a 20% cut. The glass bottle delivers fine, even misting for salads, grills, and air fryer recipes. A simple tool for portion control, lighter oil use, and cleaner flavoring. Next, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer comes in at $280 with 20% drop. Its convection system speeds up cooking, and the presets make everyday meals easier. A strong pick for users wanting a do-it-all countertop oven with reliable, even heat. Here's another, the All-Clad D5 10-piece cookware set lands at $800 after a 20% discount. The 5-ply build heats evenly with great durability, and the oven-safe design offers versatility. A premium choice for home cooks wanting lifetime performance. Quick reminder, the deals mentioned so far are linked below, and some of them drop way lower than expected. TV users just scan the QR to browse everything quickly. Next up, the Traeger Pro 222 grill comes in at $449 with an 18% cut. The pellet system delivers smoky flavor with steady temps, and the 572 square inch surface that's plenty of food. Great for backyard cooks wanting easier smoking and set and fretted for tall. Now, the Traeger Pro 34 sits at $599 after an 18% drop. Its 884 square inch capacity handles big gatherings, and the digital controls help maintain heat consistently. Perfect for grillers wanting more room, richer smoke, and dependable weekend cooking. Moving on, the Nema Ninja Luxe Cafe machine hits $499 with a 17% markdown. The built-in grinder keeps beans fresh, and the frother and assisted temper streamline espresso prep. A solid all-in-one for coffee lovers wanting cafe-style drinks at home. Next, the Greenpen 17-piece cookware set lands at $252 after a 16% discount. The PFAS-free ceramic coating releases food easily, and the oven-safe build boosts versatility. Great for healthier cooking with simple cleanup and durable performance. Now, the Calamera 24-inch beverage fridge sits at $510 with a 15% cut. The 154-can capacity offers roomy storage, and the built-in design fits cleanly into kitchen spaces. A smart upgrade for drink lovers wanting organized, chilled options ready anytime. Now, the Jura E6 holds at $1,899 with no discount applied. Its automated brewing system delivers rich espresso, and the intuitive controls simplify daily use. A premium choice for users wanting cafe-quality drinks with minimal effort. And the Breville Barista Pro holds at $850 without a markdown. Its fast heat-up system pulls shots quickly, and the integrated grinder brings fresh flavor. Ideal for home baristas wanting speed, custom control, and reliable results. So that wraps up the 40 highest discounted best Amazon Black Friday kitchen deals of 2025. But I tracked a few more hot deals that won't last long, and they're all covered in my next video. Click here to check it out.